Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. We have for sale this 1989 230CE C124 chassis, one of the modern classic designs overseen by Bruno Sacco. This particular car has just one owner from new and has covered a mere 48,000 miles, and it has full Mercedes-Benz service history. Finished in Willow green metallic with the mushroom beige leather upholstery. It's a decent specification, this car, very original. You've got the Blaupunkt London radio cassette, leather covered steering wheel and gearshift, centre armrest. I've got to say the interior obviously looks like it's just come out of the factory. As I said, the car has covered just 48,000 miles from new. Electric sliding sill sunroof. Beautiful car. If you'd like any more details, please do give me a call. The number's on our website, or drop me an email at info@kingdomspecialistcars.com. Thank you very much.